Hi you guys, I wanted to go ahead and do a quick tutorial for you to show you how to use the template that I created for the vision boards. This is going to be really quick, so if you have any questions after I drop this link, just go ahead and post them in the comments and I will be happy to reach out and help you get through whatever you're kind of being stuck on. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to get a link from me and I'm just going to drop that in and it should take you if you're logged in, it's going to actually take you to the design directly. If you're not logged in, it'll probably take you to Canva. Let's go ahead and just test it real quick to see what happens if I'm not logged in. Okay, so let's just pretend I'm not logged in yet. I get the link, I go to it. It's going to take you to the login screen. So you're going to go ahead and log into your account. And from there, bear with me as it loads. This is a really important step. You're going to have to go up to File and then Make a Copy. This is really important because if you don't make a copy, what happens is you end up working on the original template, and so that'll override my work that I already actually have saved in here. So it's really important that you go to File and Make a Copy. As soon as you do that, it's going to open up a new copy in a new tab. And then you are ready to go. This template is already pre-made, so all you're going to do is upload whatever images you want to use on your own, or you can search Canva's pre-made or pre-done photos, preloaded photos I should say. Some are free, some are paid. I went and found the free photos that I really liked on free sites like Pexels and Pixabay, and then I uploaded them directly. And so all you need to do is click on your photo. It's going to go ahead and load it into your template and then drag it into the area that you want to, and it should just go ahead and override into the image. That's it, you guys. Go ahead and add your images as you need to. This is an additional component, so you can delete that if you don't need it. Obviously, it's part of my vision board, so that's why it's in there. But feel free to go ahead and use this template as you need. You can also change the background if you want. I went ahead and added my own branding paper, but what you could do is just do a solid. What I did was delete both of those. I deleted the photo element, but then you would just go to background and choose whatever color or free pattern you want to use. And that should be it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions after watching this, just go ahead and reach out and I'd be more than happy to help you guys. All right, good luck.